Hi everyone, happy Thursday and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. I went to one thrift store this week, found a few items that I think are pretty fun, and get this, I didn't buy one single dish. I was a very good girl. So I'm excited to share with you what I found this week. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so the first thing I found was a vintage sheet, which was a twin size, and they were selling it for $4.99, which seems to me a little high for a twin, but it's in really good condition, and it is gorgeous. I love the white background with the cute little daisies on them. I think it is so pretty. Lots of green and yellow, and I think it is so adorable. I think I may have another sheet that is pretty similar to this. I know I have one in like the blue flower instead of the white daisy, and I may have this one already, but I don't really care because I think this is really cute. I am very excited about it, and I will definitely make something fun with that. Most likely a quilt, because that's what I seem to do with those. And then I did find another one as well. This one I think was a double. Yeah, this one was a double. This one was $2.99. And this one is not as old, I don't think, but it has a really great feel to it, which I love in the vintage sheets. And it is also a floral print, and it is this one right here. How do you get there? Oh, there you go. So it just has a couple different flowers on it, lots of different colors. Got the pinks, the blues, the greens. I think it was really pretty. This would make another quilt. That would be very pretty, or I could use it on a backing for a quilt also, so that's why I picked that up. Not sure how I'm going to use it, but it was a good size, it was a good price, and it's in pretty good condition, so I wasn't going to pass it up. You guys, I found a lot of linens this week. That's kind of funny. I didn't realize that when I was shopping. But anyways, the next thing I found was a vintage towel. This was $1.99, and I'm always on the lookout for these, and my family thinks I'm crazy, but I found some really cute ones. And this one is super bright and a little obnoxious, but I couldn't pass it up. And it looks like this. How adorable is that? So pretty. The colors are just so vibrant. I just love it so much. So anyways, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this in the actual bathroom. It's not a big size. It's kind of like that in-between size. It's not really a tea towel. It's not really a body towel. I'm not really sure what you're supposed to use this size for, but I don't know. If I fold it, I could use it as like just a hand towel, I think. So that's probably what I'll end up doing it with it. But I just thought it was so pretty and so vibrant, and I just loved it so much. So that will be really nice, I think, to use like in the springtime. It'll just give me that pop of color that I love so much in the early spring when everything is still really dreary and gross outside. So that'll be nice to use. So the next thing I found was $4.99, and it is something for my dogs, my little babies. I wasn't sure who it was going to fit, but once I got it home, I realized that it was going to be for Rayma, and it is so adorable. It is this little Letterman jacket dog coat. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? I just love it so much. And of course, it's in red and white, which is awesome. It's got the little football helmet on it. And then it's got a W for, I'm going to say, Wisconsin, which is awesome. I think the name on it is like Woolrich or something like that, which is why, yeah, Woolrich, which is why it's got the W on it. But Mama's saying it's for Wisconsin. So I just think it is so adorable. So anyways, I just thought this was so cute. I was not passing it up. And it looks adorable on her. So I, of course, will show you a little picture of her wearing her little coat. She doesn't really like it very much at first. And then she kind of gets used to it. And then she realizes she has it on again. And then she just kind of freezes for a while. It's hilarious. But anyways, here's a picture.
baby finger sharp.
Raymond's trying on her outfit for Halloween. Isn't she so cute? Look at you. Benny doesn't have his outfit yet.
He does, but it doesn't fit him.
It's a little big, huh? Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You want to feed him? So the next thing, so I have a few more things to share with you, and the rest of the things are all Halloween related. Now I don't normally do a whole lot of decorating for Halloween, but I like to decorate for fall. And then when Halloween gets a little closer, then I'll put out a few things that are like just Halloween-ish. So I thought these would be kind of fun to use. So the first thing was $1.49, and it is just the simple little candy bin. You know what I mean? I think these are so cute. I have seen these used in a couple different ways, and I kind of have an idea. I have quite a few of these, but I like this one because it's kind of got more of a vintage look to it, which I think is awesome. I don't know, I can never tell how old these things are, but I have like maybe a handful of these in different sizes which look sort of vintage, and I have an idea for them that's been in my head for a couple of years, so I don't know if I'm going to actually get to it this year, but I thought another one of these would be awesome. Another thing I have found, which I've done with them in the past, is I put a glow stick in them and a few rocks in them on Halloween night, and then I like line my sidewalk with them so they kind of glow at night when the trick-or-treaters come, which is kind of a fun thing. Super inexpensive because they're like $1.49. Super quick and easy kind of decoration, and the little kids think it's really cute, so I think it's really cute also. So that is something that I will use my little pumpkin candy tote for. I've also seen them, also if I had like steps, I've seen a picture of these used kind of the same way I do to line the sidewalk with, but like on the steps leading up to their front door, glowing with candles in them. I just think they're so adorable. So anyways, that's probably what I'll do with that, and I think they're adorable. So that's one, maybe an idea for you on how to use those if you have a few of those hanging around that your kids don't use anymore. Alright, so this next two items actually are silly for me because my family thinks they're incredibly tacky, but I just think they're cute. And I used to think they were so really tacky, and I hated them. But in the last 5 years, I've been like kind of obsessed with them, and they are blow molds. You know, like the Halloween and like Christmas blow molds and stuff. Well, I found 2 of them at the thrift store that are kind of like in the miniature size. And this one, first one was $1.99, and it's this little pumpkin dude right here. I just think it's so cute. He's not very tall. He's maybe, I don't know, maybe a foot tall or so. And look at his little smiling face. Oh, I just love it. And he's got a cute little jacket on with little patches on it. So I don't know. I just thought this was really cute. I don't know why I like these all of a sudden. Well, not all of a sudden, but the last few years. But I just do. I don't know why. And my family thinks I'm crazy. But I'll like just plug them in like random places around the house just to freak out my kids or just to annoy them. Like I'll move them around the house. Like every day they come home from school and they're in a different spot. I don't know, it's kind of our little quirky little thing that we do with these because I hate them so much. So of course I have to have a little fun with it. So that one will be a nice little one to add to the mix, as I think I have 2 other ones. But then I found another one and I'm so excited. This one was also $1.99, and this might be a repeat for me. I can't remember what I have actually, but it's another pumpkin one. Kind of looks like a little scarecrow to me. I don't know why, but he does. He's just so happy. He's got a little cute little hat. I just think he's adorable. So this is another one that I can use around the house to annoy my children with. So this will be good times for me. Alright, so the very last thing that I picked up is another Halloween item. There's actually 2 of them. They're $1.49 each, and they are these cute little pumpkins. I think they're so adorable. They are ceramic, and I believe they're for like little tea lights, because he's got a little lid that you can take off, and then of course you can put the tea light in and then it'll glow, which I think is super cool. So I will be putting these, I think, in my bedroom. I'm going to give them a little makeover though, because the orange won't go with my decor in there. But I think a little makeover for these little guys, and a battery operated tea light in there, and it'll be so much fun. So I just thought these were super duper cute. I love that they match. So I could put like one on each side of my headboard shelf, and with some other pumpkins maybe. I don't really know how it's all going to work out, but I'm excited for a little project. I like projects like this that are super duper easy. I'll probably be painting them white, go figure, but that's what I like. So so I thought those were super duper cute, and of course they had to come home with me. Alright, so that is what I found this week at the thrift store. Some really fun things. I got a sewing project I can do, I got a craft project I can do, and then another little project with this that I think is super duper cool. So I am excited about that. And yeah, for those of you who have been asking me about my fall like house tour, it'll be up tomorrow, I promise. It might be a little later in the day, but I am struggling to get it done, and the weather has not been helping with me. The weather has not been helpful. It has been raining and my house is dark and dreary, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it anyways because I need to get it done. I need to get this out there because everyone keeps asking me what I'm doing for my fall decor. So that will be up tomorrow. If you are at all interested in that, be looking for that. Yeah. Alright, so I hope that you had some good luck at the thrift store this week. And if you did, let me know down in the comments because I like to know about it. And I guess I will see you again next week. If you are new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And I will see you again very soon. Bye now.